Okay, so we're in Butte, Montana, and I've just driven up the hill. Check out some of the mines. Check that one out up there. And then I've got a view, I'll flip you around, of the whole town. It's awesome. Check that out. Mines, old town, the mountains. That's awesome. Let's go check this mine out. That's cool. Mile high, mile deep. It's in the mine, so now we're going to head east on the I-90. Bozeman is the next town, and then we will make a decision as to whether we carry on to Billings or if we drop down into Yellowstone, Wyoming. So you'll see what we decide when we get there.
Montana's
Old Town America.
which is now a Taco Bell.
Cruise around, check it out.
Yeah. Get it's barbecue.
Get barbecue. Let's get a barbecue. That's good. Pretty tasty. Okay, we've got Montana fries loaded with chili and everything else. Then we've got brisket, chicken, ribs, pulled pork, sausage, different sausage, Carolina sauce, spicy sauce, and sweet barbecue, and coleslaw.
Yeah, good.
Good. Yeah, a little bit for the boy. What do you think of Dickie's?
Very tasty.
Very tasty.
It's gonna be money barbecue for a while. So.
What was your favourite barbecue sauce? Carolina, sweet barbecue, or the spicy barbecue? I'm going to go with the sweet. Dickie's.
Thanks, Dickie's.
Thanks, Dickie's. Hey friends, I'm at AutoZone. I'm picking up some rear suspension bushings because I went under the RV to check out the creaking sound from the suspension, and I found that anti-roll bar bushing is completely missing and the linkage is just hanging out. Okay, so just getting in here to look at that and just noticed this, which must have just happened. So it's going to be spending money on the RV day, I think. So if you want to know more about that, you can check it out over at our members area. Okay, so we need to get a new tyre where it's blown out. This is the place. $199 they quoted, so rather not have to do that, but there you go.
Lance is observing the guy changing our tyre.
Look at that. How's it looking? It's a clean disc. Okay, so we've got the tyres fitted, $199 all in. Guy went round, checked all the tyre pressures on everything else around the rig and everything, so it feels like way better now, so actually a bit of a bargain. his grandparents were from England as well, so he was like chatting to me and talking about a lot of the UK YouTubers that he watches, which is awesome because we watch the same ones. How about that? Come all this way. But there you go. Anyway, on the road. We just got to our harvest host for the night, Bridger Brewing in Montana. So we are between Bozeman and Butte. Let's go and check it out. So this is the view from the brewery. Emily, that's always a nice view. And then just the mountains. We are next to quite a big road, but I can deal with that. For the view. Nice to have a place to stay for a couple of pints and have a couple of pints.
I was just saying the
Pub.
RV matches the background. It's all like
Pub and grill. Yeah.
like beige,
Looking good.
purple.
Maybe I don't need to clean it here. Blends in.
Its number plates are technically from here, so it does belong.
We are home. Yeah. Okay, let's go inside, check this menu. This is good. Oh, nice. Awesome. Flagship brews. Right, what am I getting? I'm getting that one, Vigilante IPA. Nice. Just tried this first mouthful. Cherry. These are the healthiest things to read it, but it's good. It's good, generally. We are on holiday.
We are on holiday.
What do you think of that? Yeah. Oh.
His face.
Oh.
He's pointing at me.
Bless him. I don't know. Maybe don't eat all of those. So look for your tiny little body.
Instant diabetes.
Yeah.
You're gonna have some orange. I can use some orange.
Pepper some orange slices in between the cherry, I think.
So Lance got the banh mi. Like spicy.
Pepper to this stuff. Fries.
Fries. And I got the pulled pork, which is apparently all smoked in-house. It's cool.
Tasty. Quite big.
How is it?
Good. The heat's there, but it's not frozen.
Fries.
There's lots of fry sauce, which I sucked off the French fry on camera. Very nice.
The fries?
Loving it.
Right amount.
How was yours?
I've only got the pork so far. There's so much meat on here.
Just around the edges.
Yeah, I'm just trying to get into it. Try some instant salad.
Tasty. How good is this place? It's awesome.
Yeah, that.
Look at like the bar, kitchen. Back to Emily. The boy's got these toys and he's like throwing them around everywhere. Bless him.
That's the house salad as well. It's like a nice vinaigrette salad. It's really good. I thought it would just be like a standard, tomato lettuce thing. But
Yeah, it's all really good, isn't it?
yeah.
Morning friends, we're just leaving our harvest host, the brewery. Just about to hit the road, but I just want to show you the view behind the place before we go. Check this out. That's where we are. Awesome. Alright, Bubba. Let's go.